Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick fix with an issue in Windows 10 wherein you'd have to type in explorer.exe on Windows logon onto a command prompt. First of all, type in regedit. Sorry. Here you'll have to change values in two places. The first place would be HKey local machine, software, then Microsoft. Under Microsoft it will be Windows NT current version. Current version. There will be another folder, WinLogon. Here you will have a value called shell, which will have a value data explorer.exe. If it is anything other than explorer.exe, please change it to explorer.exe. This will be one of the reasons why the issue will occur. But this is not the only place that you have to change the value for. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, WinLogon. Basically the same path as before, except it's for HKey current user instead of HKey local machine. This is where I actually faced the issue. This shell value had percentage comspec percentage as the value data instead of explorer.exe. Whatever it is, make sure to keep the values explorer.exe. If it is not explorer.exe, change it appropriately. Click on OK. It may ask you to restart the system. Please do restart the system. Okay. Once you restart the system, the issue will be resolved. Okay. Let me know if this fix works for you or if any other steps have worked for you. Let us know in the comment sections. Thank you.